What's up, guys, and welcome to another amazing episode of New Tool Tuesday. Now today we're going to do another Kobalt light. This one is a headlamp. I've used it for a while now, actually. I've used it several times over the last month, and I got some good and bad with it. First of all, it wraps completely around your forehead. We'll go through the settings here. You've got bright, dim, and then blinking. Not sure why you'd want blinking. It is rechargeable with a USB-C. Can't tell you how long it takes to charge. I think the battery might be replaceable. There's 4 screws. I haven't taken it apart to find out. One thing that I noticed, and I have to do a little more research on this, is it unvelcros from the headband. And I'm not sure why. Maybe the headband's perhaps replaceable. That would be awesome. It seems like every headlamp I've ever had, it's the headband itself that wears out and it loses all its flexibility long before the light ever has any issues. Another issue I have is I wear glasses. And when I have this thing on my head, like so, it reflects pretty bad in my glasses. So if I put my glasses like right up far to my face, which is not usually how I wear them, I'll show you. Take you guys off the mount here. Like this, it still reflects off the frames of the glasses. So put you guys back in your spot here. I don't much like that. I do like how bright it is all the way around. Used it on a few jobs. It seems to work great. I think it was only like 20 bucks. Again, I bought it a while ago, and it's just something I'm trying to get all my new tools listed on this New Tool Tuesday, and I am so far behind that I'm just getting around to doing this one now. As with many other ones, I mean, I may as well do reviews on this stuff instead of doing a New Tool Tuesday on it because I've used some of this stuff so much. But anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this New Tool Tuesday, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.